You guys, holiday party season is upon us, and I've got 3 brand new icebreaker games for you for your next virtual holiday party. But first, I want you to check out this quick video from our friends at AirMeet who are making this video possible. The first icebreaker I have for you at your holiday party would be a game called From 1 to 10. Now, especially if you're hosting a virtual holiday party and you're planning it on a great platform like AirMeet, you would put on the screen, have a scale from 1 to 10, and you want to put up different things that people can rate. So you could have, hey, how much do you like eggnog? Yes, I'm all in on eggnog. Give me a 10 plus. Or people are going to put in the comments on the right side of your AirMeet, they're gonna say a 1 or a 2 or a 3. Me personally, I'd be like, nah, I'm a 2. I do not really like eggnog. I'll drink it if I have to, but I don't really want it. And then encourage people on your AirMeet to use the little emojis based upon what are the people on video saying. They can make the emojis just flood up on the screen. Here's another great example. You can have someone put up the phrase or this statement saying, hey, do you have matching pajamas? Are you all about it? Are you gonna have fun with it and enjoy it? Or are you like, no, I do not want anything to do with matching pajamas. Those people are crazy. And then again, encourage people to drop in comments. They can, number one, they can just put in a number, 1 or 10 or somewhere in between. And then they can use the emojis for your AirMeet to say, yes, I agree with what's happening on video with the clapping hands emoji or the idea emoji or whatever that is. Now, icebreaker number 2 is an amazing one, and you can take it and twist it in a couple of ways, and I'll show you how. It is simply called Fill the Blank. And you can probably guess what I'm gonna tell you, which is all you gotta do is put on the screen or type it into chat on your AirMeet and say, my favorite holiday tradition is blank, and then have people fill in the blank by typing it in chat on your AirMeet. Or if you want to use a really cool feature, you can ask people to raise their hand on your AirMeet, and then you can bring them up onto the screen and they can tell you on video what their favorite holiday tradition is. Another example is, I love it when I have blank for holiday dinner. Again, have them put it in chat. You can have them answer this one. My favorite holiday food is blank. Or my favorite holiday song is blank. Now, a pro tip for you is, again, have them use that raise hand function on your AirMeet, and you can bring them on video and then play the song that they say, find it on, say, Spotify or iTunes or something, play the song, and then let them either lip sync perform it or let them sing it aloud, even if you can't find the song. That would be a really fun way to have a great icebreaker for your holiday party. And then the last one I have for you is, my favorite holiday movie is blank. For example, you pick one on video, you can use the AirMeet poll function and have them either answer yes or no as to if that's a great holiday movie, and let people have a lot of fun in that way. Now, the last icebreaker that I have for you is a really great one, and it's called Nailed It. But it's also with a question mark over here, so you could call it Nailed It, which means did they or did they not? So here's how you play. You would put on screen or either share screen or some other way, and you would say a song title like All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. You would ask for someone to raise their hand, bring them on video, and then they either have to lip sync perform it again, or they can just sing it out loud. Maybe they have a great singing voice. And then what you do is use the AirMeet polling function and type in, did they nail it? And let the audience answer either yes or no, they did not nail it. It's a really fun game to play. And another way that you could play that is maybe it's a dance move on video. You could put up and ask for someone to come on screen and do the whip/nay-nay. Did they watch me whip? Now watch me nay-nay. You can have them do that, and then you gotta put out a poll and say, did they nail it? Yes or no. And that's how you play Nailed It. Well, if you like these 3 icebreakers that I've got for you at your next virtual holiday party, you're gonna love our YouTube channel. Please be sure to click the subscribe icon with a little bell notification that will let you know whenever we put up a brand new YouTube video. And be sure to click the like button so that we know if you like this video or not. And in fact, what I would love is if you went to the comment section and let me know, do you have a brand new icebreaker that I've never seen before for holiday parties, and let us learn from you. We've gotten a lot of great comments from previous videos, and I would love to see some more on this one. Finally, I wanted to say special thanks to our friends at AirMeet for making this video possible. If you have a virtual holiday party coming up, go to airmeet.com, where they allow you to create your very own AirMeet for up to 300 people. You can have video, emojis, chat, and even some really cool tables that you can go to before your AirMeet starts. And it is all at airmeet.com. So be sure to check it out. And again, it's in the description below. And if you like this video, you can also go to virtualeventsecrets.today. I have a link for you down in the description. So all you gotta do is click on the description and find the link, and it will take you to where we have a gift waiting for you, which is the Ultimate Virtual Event Roadmap. Now, this is a PDF download that will help you plan your own ultimate virtual event, which might be your holiday party. And we would be so honored if you found us and followed us on Elevate, or you can just go to the description below, and I've got a link for you there as well. And last but not least, we have for sale on our website the Ultimate Virtual Event Toolbox, which is a series of checklists and templates that you can use that we have built based on our experience for planning and executing over 90 virtual events in the last 4 months. And we have taken that knowledge and that wisdom and put it into templates and checklists that you can use for your very own ultimate virtual event. Again, please be sure to go to virtualeventsecrets.today, which is in the description below, and we will see you later. And I hope that you have fun at your own virtual holiday party, or if you're in person, be safe and have a happy holiday. You might be on a platform like what our friends at AirMeet provide. And what you're gonna do is not have a notification in the background,